Hi, Alan Cowgill here, and I want to let you know that I've got a 4-hour workshop coming up Saturday, January 6th, and I want you to join me. I'm going to teach my path to wealth. There's nothing else like this in the industry. It's how to take a potential private lender all the way from meeting the lender all the way down to the closing table. What to do, what to say, and what not to say. You're going to love it. I'm going to give you it step by step by step. Also, for the residential folks, I'm going to show you how to buy 5 houses per month with my system on zero marketing. Think about that, and very, very, very little work. And the legal rules. I hired an SEC attorney to research every state, and when he got done, he said, "Hey, I want to thank you." I said, "Why is that?" He said, "Well, you just paid for my new house, and I'm moving into it." So it gives you an indication of the moral obligation, dedication I had to you to get you the legal stuff. You need to show up for that. And more on private money content and deal structuring, more private money tools, techniques, and tips. Scripts to use. Scripts are so important. I'm going to give you a bunch of them during the 4 hours. And how your funding is out of order and you don't know it. And when I show you this, you are going to be shocked. And attracting and converting massive private money. So here's how you get there. Go to www.alancowgill.com/private money. Real simple. And also, it's January 6th, 9 o'clock Eastern. We'll go to 1 o'clock. We'll take a break, 10-minute break right in the middle. And then I'll just keep going. I've got this packed full of great training information for you. So show up. I don't want you to miss it. To your wealth.